I've lodged a police report today against Utusan Malaysia for publishing and its writer Awang Selamat for writing highly seditious and irresponsible article which can incite racial hatred and cause public unrest in this country. In his article dated December the 13th, 2009 about the Malay supremacy issue, Awang Selamat has said the DAP Vice President M. Kulasekharan even pledged that he would continue to raise the issue and was not afraid of anyone. Awang has explained time and again that the Malay supremacy has never made the Malays as masters and the non-Malays as slaves. The Malay supremacy is just a symbol, and the position of the Malay rulers act as foundation of the nation in safeguarding the interests of Islam, Malay cultures and Malay language. The concept of Malay supremacy is based on the national constitution. Thus the DAP leaders, which struggle for the Malaysia concept, want to push aside the position of the rulers and prefer to turn Malaysia into a republic. Awang tends to believe that this is the underlying struggle of the DAP. However, due to the forced circumstances, that does not favor the party. Many of its underlying struggle has come out to the fore. Indications are aplenty in the systematic preparation of the DAP towards achieving a republic nation with the main target to rewrite the constitution. This was said by Utusan Malaysia. Since the eruption of the Malay supremacy controversy, I have explained what is the Malay supremacy concept. On December 9th, I have said the following. Keturunan Melayu concept has nothing to do with the position of Malay rulers and is not to be found in the Merdeka Constitution. It is a political concept propagated to serve not the Malay race but the political interests of UMNO. This concept should be replaced by Keturunan Rakyat Malaysia concept, which rightly stresses the people as the masters and not any one race. The Keturunan Rakyat Malaysia concept is a necessary and rightful concept of Malaysia. And it will make all Malaysians feel they are all truly Malaysians and ensure that they can all have an equal place under the Malaysian sun. It is therefore most unfair and highly seditious and irresponsible for Awang Selamat to accuse me and the DAP of wanting to push aside the position of the rulers. Awang can have misguided idea and wrong understanding of the Malay supremacy concept, but he must not make baseless, false and dangerous accusations against me and the DAP. Such accusation can cause racial animosity and lead to the public unrest in the country. Utusan Malaysia and Awang Selamat must stop playing with fire. If they intend to carry out the false accusation and political propaganda against me and the DAP, they should first read what Dato' Mohammad Nazri, the minister, and Lim Kem Yek, the former minister, have recently said about the Malay supremacy advocates. The December 12 Malaysia Country report on the question of Malay supremacy has clearly quoted Nazri, Minister of the Prime Minister's Department, as saying that the Malay supremacy is not compatible with the Prime Minister's One Malaysia concept. A few days ago, the former president of Gerakan, Dr. Lim Kem Yek, has also said if anyone pushed for the Malay supremacy, then this person must be an extreme racist. So are Utusan Malaysia and Awang Selamat going to say that both Nazri and Lim Kem Yek have plans to rewrite the constitution, not constriction, should be detained under the ISA or should migrate to another country.
Jadi saya minta lah Isyamuddin buka mata luas-luas, pergi tengok apa benda yang sebenarnya, dan kita nak tindakan tegas diambil kepada dua orang berkenaan ni. Dan saya bagi pihak NGO, kami merancang perimpunan raksasa di depan utusan, membantah apa yang ditulis oleh dua penulis yang tidak bertanggungjawab. Jadi ini telah menimbulkan rasa tidak puas hati di kalangan NGO-NGO India, dan apa yang diceritakan ialah dia kata orang India balik India. Jadi Awang Selamat ni dia nak balik mana? Maluku, Aceh, nak pergi mana? Makassar. Jadi saya suruh ni Awang dengan dia punya kawan ni pergi cari dia punya kampung asal dulu. Pergi cari kampung asal dia. Macam saya, memang saya tahu kampung asal saya. Dia belum pasti dia tahu mana kampung dia. Okay? So they have to stop all the nonsense lah. Okay? Ini bukan bermaksud ini apa ni gagasan Melayu Perak ni. Saya tak nampak sebab apa dia orang begitu sensitif. Dia tak faham. Perjuangan kemerdekaan adalah perjuangan bersama. Kita sudah diterima sebagai rakyat negara ini. Please jangan timbul lagi balik sana balik sini. Inilah tanah tumpah saya. Jangan jadi kurang ajar.